key distinction is, right, when I came to the US, and the valuation team over here does a lot of what's known as purchase price allocations or goodwill allocation exercises, which doesn't really, that kind of work when I was in Dubai didn't really quite exist at that time. Okay. So that was great. Huge learning opportunity. What is a purchase price allocation? I mean, I know what it is theoretically, but how do you do one? And again, it's just valuation. It's just different applications of it. So things like that was just interesting. And then to add to that, I got to the San Francisco office for PwC, and all of the clients over here are all tech companies, as you imagine, the Googles of the world. Yeah. And that is experience that I was not getting in Dubai, right? Just the economy in Dubai is more real estate, banking, and consumer, largely speaking. And tech is obviously, very, very fast growing part of the economy. Sure. And I'd love to get some of that experience. So a couple of things that sort of pushed me to make this move happen. And again, it wasn't easy, right? And nothing ever is.